April, the world's most populous nation embarked on a monumental journey as it commenced voting in a 7-phase election. Nearly 1 billion eligible voters are participating in this democratic exercise, with the anticipation building up to the vote count scheduled for 4th June. At the center of this electoral spectacle is Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who seeks a rare and historic third consecutive term in office. His party, the Hindu nationalist Bharatiya Janata Party (BJP), stands in fierce competition against an alliance comprising over 24 opposition parties. Despite the formidable opposition, surveys and polls indicate a high probability of Modi securing a comfortable majority once again. Millions of Indian citizens, from various walks of life, lined up to cast their votes across 93 constituencies on Tuesday, marking another chapter in the democratic process of the nation. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, known for his fervent campaign style, has been actively engaging with the public, delivering impassioned speeches that have stirred both support and controversy. In recent rallies, Modi's speeches have touched upon sensitive topics, sparking debates nationwide. He referred to some members of the Muslim community as infiltrators and raised concerns about population growth, echoing sentiments within certain factions of society. These remarks, though provocative, have ignited discussions about the complex dynamics of India's diverse population. The elections hold particular significance as they unfold in Prime Minister Modi's home state of Gujarat and in key regions such as Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and Chhattisgarh, known as the heartland of India. This phase of voting marks a crucial stage in the 2024 Lok Sabha elections, with 93 constituencies across 11 states and union territories participating in the democratic process. Over 1,300 candidates, including 120 women, are vying for victory in this pivotal phase, representing the aspirations and diversity of the electorate. Tuesday's polling, part of a multi-phase electoral process, features contested seats in states like Karnataka, Gujarat, and Uttar Pradesh. While many anticipate a victory for Modi and his Bharatiya Janata Party, the opposition, led by the Congress and supported by regional parties, remains steadfast in its bid for electoral success. As the staggered election unfolds, spanning until 1st June, citizens eagerly await the culmination of their democratic exercise, with votes slated to be counted on 4th June. For the latest updates on trending news worldwide, we invite you to subscribe to AI Echo. Stay informed, stay engaged. Thank you for being part of the conversation.